Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ergonomic keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly EABLLI Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard. This keyboard is perfect for those who want ergonomic features without breaking the bank. Priced at $30.59, it offers a cushioned wrist rest made of comfortable leather and high-density support pads. The wave-shaped keys are designed to keep your hands in a natural posture, reducing strain and promoting a smooth typing experience. Additionally, the built-in phone holder is a thoughtful touch for multitaskers who need quick access to their devices. In terms of design, the keyboard feels sturdy, despite its lightweight build. The compact dimensions make it a good fit for most desks, and the wireless connection works seamlessly within a 33-foot range. Performance-wise, it's a silent operator, perfect for shared workspaces or home offices. However, keep in mind that it uses AA batteries and doesn't come with them included, which might be a minor inconvenience. Overall, the EABLLI keyboard is ideal for casual users who prioritize comfort and efficiency on a budget. While it lacks premium features like backlighting or adjustable tilt legs, it delivers great value for its price. Pros include affordability, integrated wrist support, and the versatile phone holder. Cons are the absence of advanced ergonomics and reliance on single AA batteries. If you're looking for a simple yet effective ergonomic keyboard, this is a solid pick. At number 4 is the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard. Priced at $49.99, this keyboard offers an impressive blend of comfort and style, making it a great mid-range option. One standout feature is its 7-color backlighting with adjustable brightness, which adds a touch of personalization and is especially useful for low-light environments. The split design promotes a natural wrist and forearm position, complemented by a cushioned wrist rest that enhances typing comfort during extended work sessions. In terms of build, the Arteck keyboard feels robust and durable. The scissor switch keys provide a tactile yet quiet typing experience, ideal for office settings or late-night work. The 6-foot USB cable ensures reliable connectivity and freedom of placement. However, this keyboard is wired, which may not appeal to users who prefer wireless convenience. The Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard is best suited for users who want a stylish yet functional keyboard with customizable lighting. Its wired setup ensures zero lag, making it great for professionals who prioritize precision. Pros include adjustable backlighting, sturdy build quality, and comfortable wrist support. Cons are the lack of wireless connectivity and slightly bulkier design. If you're looking for a reliable keyboard with a touch of flair, this Arteck model is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the Perixx PERIBOARD-512B wired ergonomic USB keyboard. Priced at $48.71, this keyboard is all about practicality and durability. Its split key design and 3D layout are specifically engineered to align with your natural arm and hand positions, reducing strain during long typing sessions. The integrated palm rest provides excellent wrist support, while the tactile keystrokes ensure a satisfying typing experience. Design-wise, this keyboard is bulky, measuring 19.1 inches wide, which makes it better suited for larger desks. Its wired connection ensures plug-and-play functionality, and the 6-foot cable offers flexibility in placement. While it's not the most stylish keyboard on the market, its sturdy construction and reliable performance make it a dependable choice. However, it might take some time for new users to adapt to its unique typing layout. The Perixx PERIBOARD-512B is ideal for office professionals who value comfort and durability over aesthetics. Pros include ergonomic design, tactile keys, and a robust build. Cons are the bulky size and the learning curve associated with its split layout. If you're looking for a workhorse keyboard that prioritizes ergonomics, this one won't disappoint. At number 2, we have the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard, the premium option on our list, priced at $55.99. This keyboard is designed for users who demand both comfort and convenience in an ergonomic package. Its split design helps position your wrists and forearms naturally, reducing muscle strain. The cushioned wrist rest further elevates comfort, making it ideal for long hours of typing. With its wireless connectivity, the keyboard offers a clutter-free experience and a reliable range. The Arteck keyboard features a rechargeable lithium battery that boasts an impressive 6-month battery life on a single charge, based on typical usage. The build is sleek yet sturdy, and the keys deliver a slightly soft, responsive typing experience. However, it lacks backlighting, which might be a downside for those who work in dimly lit environments. This keyboard is perfect for professionals who want a premium ergonomic experience without sacrificing portability. Pros include its wireless design, rechargeable battery, and exceptional wrist support. Cons are the lack of backlighting and slightly higher price point. If you're seeking a high-quality wireless ergonomic keyboard, this Arteck model is a worthy investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, a top-tier choice for ergonomic enthusiasts. Although the price isn't listed in this review, its premium features speak for themselves. The curved, split keyframe promotes natural typing posture, reducing strain on wrists and forearms. Logitech's pillowed wrist rest, made with memory foam, offers unparalleled comfort, providing 54% more wrist support compared to standard keyboards. The adjustable palm lift ensures ergonomic typing whether you're seated or standing. The build quality is exceptional, with scooped keys that match the shape of your fingertips for precise and fluid typing. Connectivity options include both Bluetooth and USB, making it compatible with multiple devices. The stain-resistant fabric wrist rest is particularly appealing for users who value durability and cleanliness. Certified by the United States Ergonomics, this keyboard is designed to improve posture and reduce muscle strain, making it a go-to choice for health-conscious professionals. The Logitech ERGO K860 is the ultimate ergonomic keyboard for users who demand the best in comfort, design, and performance. Pros include its ergonomic certification, dual connectivity, and robust build quality. Cons are its higher price and the absence of backlighting. If you're serious about ergonomics, this keyboard is the gold standard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.